Hi friends, and welcome to Little Woods Art. Today I'd like to show you how to draw Pikachu. I know a lot of you like Pokemon, and Pikachu is one of the oldest Pokemon and one of the much loved Pokemon, so let's get started. What you're going to need is some yellow markers or colored pencils and paper. That's all you need today. So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to draw on marker. You might want to draw on pencil so that if a line is not where you want it to be, you can fix it. But if it doesn't look exactly like this Pikachu, that's quite all right. So go to, this Pikachu is pretty big, so if you notice, his head is about half of the paper and his body is the other half. So we're going to start with the face. So first thing you're going to do is go to the top half of your paper. And you could draw a little dash for the nose. Then right under that, you're going to make this shape. Looks like a mustache. That'd be cool if Pikachu had a mustache. And then you're going to make a long, skinny type of U shape. And then so that the tongue shows up, you're going to make a curved line inside and color this part here inside the mouth. Great. Now Pikachu's eyes are really round, so drawing a perfect circle is hard. So if you don't get it the first time, that's all right. Doesn't have to be exact, but you're gonna make two large circles. And then you're gonna put the white circle toward the top if you want them looking up. If you want them looking a different direction, put it somewhere else. Great. Next, you're gonna go above the eyes and draw the top of the head. And his ears are pointed and they kind of look like a football shape or a leaf. So you curve them up and do the same side, same thing on the other side. He has like a black tip on top of his ears. So cute. And then do it over here again. And you can change his mood by putting his ears different directions if you want. Then we're going to curve down and draw the rest of the head. Draw a chin. And there's his head. All right, the next shape of the body is kind of like an upside down heart. So come over on this side and you're going to make a line down. And you're going to bump it in like a heart. And then you're going to go back up. Now if you're drawing with pencil, you can just go all the way up. I am drawing a marker, so I'm not going to draw that in because we want to leave that space open for his arm. So let's add his arm next. So he's got his arm up like he's waving. So we can draw this shape. It's like the ear. And then he has 4 little tiny fingers. Great. Now come over on this side and we're going to draw another arm. So it kind of curved out like a balloon, and then add tiny little 4 fingers. Now he also has these cheeks. The cheeks are more oval shaped, so go in there and draw these cheeks, and I think they're actually red or pink. So when you color them, you could color those red. And the last thing we need to do is his feet. So come down here, he has some little toes. Draw her, oh, I forgot his tail. We can't leave him without his lightning bolt tail. So the tail, you just want to come over outside of his hand and draw a lightning bolt. Down, back, and then connect it to the body. And then add another piece up here, and then a straight line down. Great, and a horizon line. You want your Pikachu sitting on something, unless he's flying through the air. Next, you can color. Now this one was colored in colored pencil. I'm going to color this one in markers, and we'll see what the difference is. And there he is. Hope you had fun drawing Pikachu today. If you did, please subscribe to Littlewood's Art and like this video. Goodbye!